Hey everybody, Roha here. Um, uh, this video is about showcasing a bit how Universal Medusa is aligning with build space. It's a real fun experience of building something in 6 weeks. I have been doing my thing building Universal Medusa for a while on my free time, but I want to wrap it up. So on that, we have 36 days and milliseconds disappearing from Earth really fast. And I want to finish this and build, release an alpha when we are ready. Take a bit up front. Yeah. So, what are we building? We're building Universal Commerce Development. For that, let's better look at our beautiful build space one slider, which goes as this. Universal Commerce Development, sorry for the typo here. We give developers the framework, code structure, and tools to build once deployed everywhere, meaning native, mobile, and web. I hope this makes sense. I think it makes more sense to developers, but if not, I'm gonna try to make this better. That is the idea. And also the idea of the video is show a bit about it, because I try to release it in this next 36 days. And even though I have a lot of work done, there's a lot of work missing. It's that typical, I think I'm on that last 10% of work, but it seems it's the first 50%. A lot of things to tackle and go through to finish this. But hey, that's why we are on build space on night and weekends, and let's see if we get till the end. And without further ado, let's take a look at this, right? I think that was showing up here on the side, little teaser, but we're missing also the web, right? Also, quick explainer, we can take a look at the docs for this, is that this is a suite of tools to help you build universal apps. This is all thanks to beautiful projects. I would say the base here is React Native, but it's built on top of Expo, which is the best code to build a React Native app on top of. And also, I would say after Expo comes Next, right, which is the counterpart. They are both glued together thanks to Solido, which is this amazing library by Fernando de Rojo, that it's an API to help you navigate differently on each project, right? Because what we have here is Next app, which is using the Next router, and here we have the Expo app, which is using Expo router. So different paradigms of navigation, and they are applied correctly using different navigation libraries. So I think I have something here that would be interesting to read out loud. So build cross-platform e-commerce app with Medusa JS that gets you the best of web and native mobile using Next and Expo, right? So the main thing here that I was missing to talk about is Medusa, which is an amazing project, and they won an award for best event JS library on Product Hunt. They are freaking awesome, because what it's all about is that you get control back of your e-commerce. They give you all these modules that are headless and help you build on top and build your e-commerce the way you like. And they had this amazing starter, which was a Next.js starter, And that's how this idea came to be, because I saw that the styles were using Tailwind, and on the React Native ecosystem we have native wind, which is really awesome. And you can use Tailwind with some slight differences, but you get to reuse almost all the code you use if you have a web project. So it went as to saying, why not, right? Why not pick up the starter and build a universal app? We have so many cool technologies such as Expo, Next.js itself, Medusa, Native Wind, Solido. Let's bring them all together, I would say in the Solido stack, and build this. So here it is. We're getting close. Still a lot of things missing, even though it won't show that much here in this demo, but getting closer. Let's hope to finish after these 36 days. But let's take a look. Let's get back to home here. So here we are, both homes here showing a hero section and some products on the body. I haven't mentioned that we have Expo Router in the house. So Expo Router, it's being used, and why it's being used, even though it's kind of new, it's really interesting that it's a project that it's alike the navigation paradigm of Next.js, right? So both are file-based, so it's really easy to move and create different navigations for each platform easily using file-based routing, right? And yeah, and it's a really cool project. So we have it and we're using it. Here's how it looks. We were talking about the home page. Let's pick up a product. So we're gonna go with the coffee mug. We're gonna do the same on web. Let's, switch to the hoodie. Why not? Surely enough, we are on the hoodie page, both platforms. Over here, I can select the size. Gonna be small. I'm gonna add it to the cart. If you take a look, hey, here on our bag, we have an icon showing that our bag has one item. We're gonna do the same on web, right? We're gonna select small, add to the cart. If we go to the back, we will see that it's showing on both. But let's get back to home page for a second. I wanted to show like maybe, yeah, I was missing, you have this product information and shipping returns. That should be the same as well over here. Small details, but everything is reusable. But all right, then let's switch to our bag on both and go to the checkout. For the checkout here, we're gonna use a model on mobile. Hey, we have my Jamaica address. Let's switch it up. I'm gonna pick another one. Currently not in Jamaica, but if you notice, that was quick, but we are using a bottom ship navigator. This really cool project built by Grom. It's being applied only on mobile. It's a better paradigm interface. To resolve this, it's used a couple of places on the mobile app, but over here we just have a drop down, which is how it should go on web. And that's pretty much it. We have some details on the input field. We are using Moti, but I'm gonna show that for animations on another video. For now, let's continue with the delivery to finish this purchase. I'm gonna do the same on mobile. I'm gonna pick up my post-fade standard $10 price tag. That looks good to me. And we're gonna go with the checkout. And sure enough, we're at the end of the user journey of buying our Medusa hoodie. Pretty cool. I'm gonna discard this model. Now my bag is empty and I'm back at square one. But I could take a look at my account, right? And you would see that on both. If you take a look at orders, they are showing up, right? And we can pick up on the details of each one as well. So yeah, pretty much all the flow is there. And that's pretty much it. I've been rambling and talking a lot, but I hope this has helped show where the project is going, my take on trying to finish this in these 36 days on nights and weekends. And yeah, thanks for listening. See you on the next one.